If you look into the market, there are hundreds of wood carving tools that are available which can be slightly confusing. However, we have already done the hard task for you and have shortlisted some of the best wood carving tools that you can check out. There are many products available to choose best wood carving tools, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AUGSUN Wood Carving Knife Set. Let's start this list with one of the most budget-friendly wood carving tool kits on the market. It is offered by AUGSUN, which is quite a decent brand that is popular for making high-quality tools. In this set of wood carving tools, you will get a total of 20 different types of knives, chisels, and gouges, all made from high-quality carbon steel. Apart from that, all the tools have exceptionally good build quality as they come with 4.33 ergonomically designed wooden handles that offer you a good enough grip to use the tools efficiently. In addition, you will get a carrying case to store the tools safely. Along with the kit, you will also find additional accessories in the kit such as a whetstone, a carpenter pencil, and 2 pieces of white cloth as well. Number 2. BeaverCraft Wood Carving Gouge Chisel. If you are looking for a specific high-quality wood carving gouge chisel, the Gouge G7L22 from BeaverCraft is definitely a good option that you can add to your wood carving toolset. This long bent gouge is built extremely well and has quite a long and ergonomic handle that will help you out to use this tool comfortably and conveniently. This blade of this gouge is crafted from carbon steel and is fairly long in length as well, that helping out to easily carve out the wood. Due to its bent design, it's best for making spoons and bowls or simply making round hollow surfaces in any sculpture. Moreover, this tool's mirror polished blade comes pre-sharpened, so it's fairly simple to use and you can start working with it as soon as you take it out of the package. Number 3. Schaff Wood Carving Tools. Coming over to the premium segment of wood carving tools, Schaff is one of the best brands out there that you can choose to buy your tools from. Since Schaff is quite a reputed brand and is known mostly for its product's build quality, each tool in the set comes with long and sharp blades made of CRV60 material. Thus, there is no compromise on the build quality since the build material of the blades is extremely strong and has quite a long lifespan too. In this toolset, Schaff offers a total of 12 different kinds of tools which are great if you are a beginner and have just started to learn the wood carving art. The tools are extremely handy thanks to the 14 cm long European-style octagonal handles that are very grippy. Apart from that, you also get a carrying bag along with the tools to store them safely after use. Number 4. WAYCOM Wood Knife Kit Set Wood Carving. Coming to the next wood knife set, if you are looking for a kit that includes plenty of tools, WAYCOM has just the right option available for you. For those people who want to get almost all kinds of wood carving tools in one go, this kit comes with a total of 24 different tools in all shapes and sizes. Since all the tools are made from carbon steel, you don't have to worry about the blades as they are made to last for years. Since there are plenty of tools available on this tool set, this is the only kit that you would ever require for all your wood carving needs. While the PM132 tools have a 110mm long handle, the PMB306 tools have a 100mm handle, and the PMA306 tools come with a relatively smaller handle of 89mm in length. All of which are made of wood and are well polished also. Number 5. Adevna Wood Carving Tools. Next up, we have yet another budget-friendly wood carving tool set that you might like to check out, as Adevna is a highly well-known and trusted brand in the market. In case you are a beginner, this is one of the cheapest tool sets that you can start using to learn wood carving. The blades on each tool are razor sharp, and thanks to the electrolyte coating over them, these blades are not going to face any wear and tear anytime soon. While the blades are of fairly small size, the case is not the same with the handle as they are pretty long and makes the tool easier to hold and use. The good fact about this tool set is that every tool comes with a safety cap and all of the tools come inside a carry case.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.